Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Check your Android version and which launcher you use because customization options vary. Once done, find the app on the home screen or in the app drawer and long press it to surface the context menu. This exposes shortcuts and edit options. Make sure you already have a replacement image prepared. PNG around 512 by 512 pixels, transparent if desired, so you won't interrupt the flow. This saves time and prevents losing the new icon's resolution or clarity. You now apply the new image using the launcher edit flow. Tap Edit or the pencil icon shown after the long press. This opens the icon settings where you choose Change Icon and pick Gallery or Files. When you select your image, crop it to a square, 1:1 aspect, so the launcher won't stretch it. Make sure to check masking or shape options and pick none if you want the original shape preserved. This ensures consistent appearance across home screens and avoids odd padding or distortion. Finish by tapping Save or Apply, then return to the home screen to verify the icon displays correctly and the shortcut still opens the app. If the change resets after a reboot or update, clear the launcher cache or reinstall the launcher and make a backup of your custom icons. This prevents loss. If problems persist, switch to a launcher with robust icon support, like Nova or Apex, or use a reputable icon pack. These provide consistent results and additional customization control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.